Good day everyone. Today I'm delighted to introduce Supply Chain Management, the third edition, a practical and insightful framework tailored for students navigating the dynamic world of supply. This textbook not only explores how organizations manage supply across the enterprise, but it also places a strong emphasis on real-world application, particularly within the South African and broader Southern African context. It's an essential resource for undergraduate students pursuing transport and logistics as part of a degree or diploma in management. Before we dive into what's new in this edition, let me highlight a brilliant feature, the fictional case study of exclusive sports apparel, with the inspiring slogan, "Give up, never." This case study appears at the end of each part of the textbook and brings the theory to life. It allows students to apply what they've learned in a realistic, business-driven scenario, reinforcing both understanding and practical thinking. This edition brings several important updates. Firstly, supply chain management is now framed as a driver of value creation, rather than a merely cost-cutting exercise, reflecting its strategic importance. It also addresses the impact of global events such as the Russia-Ukraine war and places greater emphasis on sustainability and ethics, aligning with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Furthermore, it explores emerging technologies like AI, machine learning, and big data, and includes expanded content on supplier development. And finally, we're excited to share that a comprehensive front-of-class PowerPoint teaching plan and assessment resources are currently in development. The new edition will officially be published in September 2025. We look forward to supporting your teaching journey with these enhanced tools. The author team will also be presenting a webinar at the end of the year, and we look forward to talking to our market about this exciting new offering.